Hey guys, today I'm making 3 flavors of no-bake cheesecake using one mixture. In a bowl, add in your cream cheese, as well as your icing sugar or powdered sugar. Mix on low till smooth and creamy. Add in your vanilla and mix well. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and add in a little bit of your cream. Mix it well to loosen the cream cheese mixture. Add in the remaining cream and beat on high till the mixture thickens. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix everything together well. Then divide the mixture into 3. Into 1/3 of the mixture, add in your chocolate ganache and mix it in well. You could layer the dessert using a spoon, but I find it's a lot neater to add them into piping bags, and it's time to assemble. Refrigerate for about an hour and they're ready to serve. Enjoy!